The most beautiful places in the world. Geiranger Fjord, Norway. The Geiranger Fjord is one of the most visited tourist destinations in Norway, with a picturesque view of a gorgeous mountainous landscapes with a crystal blue river at the bottom. Whether you want to see the fjord from a boat in the river or make the trek into the mountains to one of the numerous observation decks, you won't be disappointed in seeing this location in person. Maldives. The Maldives is a desert island paradise that has 1,190 small islands. Despite the massive amount of islands that are spread out, only 200 of the islands are actually populated. One of the islands even looks like a heart, and it is the perfect vision of a breathtaking desert paradise. Lao Cai, Vietnam. Throughout Southeast Asia, there are these beautiful man-made rice terraces that help supply the country of Vietnam with their most staple food item, rice. The grain requires a flat surface and lots of water to grow, which isn't typical in the country, so people had to improvise and figure out an alternate way to grow their food. Their endeavors resulted in a beautifully colored landscape. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni is the largest salt flat in the world, located in the Andes Mountains in Bolivia. The landscape is so crystal clear and reflective that it is considered to be a natural mirror and reflects the beautiful sunsets that grace the location each day. If undisturbed, it looks like you are walking in the sky. Yosemite National Park. Located in the Sierra Nevada mountains in California, Yosemite National Park is considered to not only be one of the most beautiful places in the United States, but also the entire world. Between the gorgeous mountains, rushing rivers, and tall sequoia trees, Yosemite is a popular tourist destination year-round, from skiing in the winters to camping in the spring and summer, and watching the leaves change in the fall. Midway Island. Midway Island is a 2.4 square mile atoll in the middle of the Pacific Ocean between the United States and Asia. The atoll became known as the location of the Battle of Midway in World War II, but despite seeing battle and bloodshed, the location is extraordinarily beautiful, with white sandy beaches, clear blue waters, and even wildlife relaxing on the beach. Pamukkale, Turkey. Pamukkale means cotton castle in Turkey, located in the Denizli province. The site has numerous natural pools of water which people have bathed in for thousands of years. Despite being a popular tourist attraction with thousands of visits each year, the location has been carefully preserved and is one of the most photographed locations in the world. Meteora, Thessaly, Greece. Meteora is considered to be the heavens among the earth. The name Meteora translates to middle of the sky or suspended in air, and the name is accurate to the location. Some of the world's most important sandstone monasteries are located here, and is it not only naturally beautiful, but the Greek Orthodox monasteries are breathtaking inside with their stained glass windows and architecture. Zhangjiai Dengxia landform, Gansu, China. The Zhangjiai Dengxia landform looks like it was painted by the hand of God himself, with colorful mountains and beautifully landscaped lines to form the mountains. Over the course of 24 million years, red sandstone and mineral deposits formed the colors and lines on these picturesque rocks. This location is so beautiful that people have a hard time believing that it is actually nature-made and not man-made. Fiordland National Park, South Island, New Zealand. Fiordland National Park is located in South Island, New Zealand, and was established in 1952. The picturesque mountains and reflective waters are a major tourist destination, but are also considered to be emotional to look at. The mountains seem to complete each other, and the scale of their size is overwhelming to onlookers. Controversy between conservationists and the government continues on whether to manipulate the location, but to date, it remains relatively untouched.